Top 7 Health Benefits of Soybeans. Welcome to our daily health. We give daily videos on a lot of wellness topics, so please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, and that way you'll never miss any of our videos. In Eastern Asia, there is a type of legume called soybeans, or soya beans, which are an important part of any Asian diet. From Eastern Asia, its use and growth spreads to other parts of Asia, North and South America. In these countries, soybeans are loved because of the health benefits linked to it. While some people may be allergic to it, soybeans are known to be a good source of antioxidants and phytonutrients that help the body fight diseases and develop the immune system. These days, we see a lot of processed soy products in the market, such as tofu, soy milk, soybean, soy sauce, and even soy flour. In Asia, soybeans are eaten whole, but Western countries prefer processed products. Nevertheless, in whatever form it may be eaten, the health benefits of soybeans remain. Let's discuss them one by one. Top 7 Health Benefits of Soybeans. Number 1. Soybeans are a good source of protein. Every part of the body needs protein. Proteins are made up of amino acids that are necessary for the cells and tissue to grow. As such, the body needs an intake of protein every day, whether plant-based or animal-based. Soybean is a good source of plant-based protein. While plant-based protein is not as potent as animal-based protein, it is still needed by the body. Eating tofu, for example, as a substitute for meat, as what most vegetarians do, can supply the daily protein needs of the body. Proteins in soybeans are of two main types, glycinin and conglycinin. These two approximately make up 80% of the total protein content. So you might ask why? Why the need to have protein in the body? Studies show that soy protein exhibited a decrease in cholesterol levels in the body. As recommended, 1 cup of soybeans can give about 29 grams of protein. A daily consumption of protein through soybeans can help hypertension and reduce the risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. Also, soybeans contain saponins, one of the main classes of plant compounds in soybeans, which are proven to reduce cholesterol in animals. Number 2. Soybeans may reduce cancer risk. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases that hit mankind these days. There are so many types of cancer, but all of these are associated with either genetics or the presence of free radicals in the body. Free radicals are those which damage the cells and can trigger the cancer cells in the body. Remember that free radicals may be the result of an unhealthy lifestyle, stress and not having enough sleep at night, and an unhealthy diet. While these things are unavoidable, we can prevent the risk of cancer by making sure that we take in the right kind of compounds that can reduce the risk of cancer, and consuming soybeans every day is one of those practices we need to develop. Soybeans contain isoflavones, which is a kind of antioxidant polyphenol. Polyphenols are known to have health effects, and the fact that it is an antioxidant is a guarantee that it can help the body get rid of free radicals. Apart from isoflavones, studies also show that soybeans contain lutein, a compound with cancer-preventing effects. Because of these compounds, soybeans have been linked in the reduction of cancer risk of breast cancer in women and prostate cancer in men. Number 3. Soybeans help in maintaining good bone health. Having a healthy bone is very important in our daily lives. It must be remembered that our bones help us in our daily lives, so it is important that we take good care of our bones. A healthy bone means that the bone has enough calcium to support its activities. The body has enough calcium as the bone itself produces it. But wait, the production has limits as our body stops producing calcium when we reach 22 to 25 years old. This means then that the stocked calcium in the bones is only left supplying the bone's daily activities, and its depletion can lead to bone-related conditions such as osteoporosis. This is most especially true among women, as women use additional calcium during their monthly periods. Thus, it is important that as we age, we supplement the body with calcium, either by taking supplements or eating food rich in calcium. Soybeans are known to be rich in calcium. Studies show that consuming soy products such as soy milk and tofu reduces the risk of osteoporosis in women. Apart from calcium, isoflavones are responsible for the beneficial effect of soybeans to the bones. Number 4. Soybeans help alleviate symptoms of menopause. Menopause for most women is associated with unpleasantries. Menopause is that time in a woman's life when her menstruation stops because there is no more eggs left in her ovaries. Menopause is characterized by sweating, hot flashes, and mood swings. This is because the estrogen levels are reduced during the menopausal period. Results of a survey conducted showed that Asian women experience fewer menopausal symptoms than Western women. This is explained by the kind of diet Asians, which include soy, such as tofu, in their diets. As mentioned, soybeans contain isoflavones, which can be effective in reducing menopausal symptoms. When these isoflavones are converted into equal, when the woman has a type of gut bacteria that can convert isoflavones into equal, reduced menopausal symptoms are very apparent. Isoflavones are unique phytonutrients that are known to mimic the workings of estrogen that can help ease the symptoms of menopause. Number 5. Soybeans help relieve sleeping disorders. Do you have insomnia? Try some soya milk or eat some tofu to help you sleep well. Soybean is rich in magnesium, which on the onset is responsible for increasing the quality, restfulness, and duration of sleep. To elaborate, magnesium is associated with the nervous system. When there is enough magnesium in the body, the mental functions become normal. Also because the neurotransmitters in the brain can function well. With this, it can be gainsaid that soybeans can relieve the symptoms of a sleep disorder. Number 6. Soybeans improve blood circulation. When it comes to blood, there are 2 essential minerals that are vital for the production of red blood cells. When there is the right amount of red blood cells in the body, all the body organs and the extremities of the body can have the needed oxygen level and regular blood flow. It must be remembered that oxygen is needed by the cells in the body to properly function, and this oxygen is carried by the blood. Thus, there is a need for regular blood flow in the body so that all the organs, no matter how near or how far from the heart, can get the needed amount of oxygen. To achieve this, we must constantly take food that could help in the production of red blood cells. Soybeans, for instance, are a good source of copper and iron, which are responsible for the production of red blood cells. A daily consumption of processed soybean or whole soybean can help the body maximize its metabolic activity. Number 7. Soybeans are good for pregnancy. Folic acid and vitamin B complex are essential for pregnant women. Folic acid is responsible for the development of the body or the production of the genetic makeup. It helps prevent neural tube defects in babies, which means that folic acid helps the baby grow healthy in the mother's womb. As such, it is important that pregnant women get the right amount of folic acid. Pregnant women should also take vitamin B complex to prevent hypertension. This is also necessary to avoid miscarriage. As for the baby, B complex helps prevent low birth weight and some abnormalities among babies. The benefits of soybeans are just too many to mention, but knowing these important health benefits would not only save you, but your family as well. So don't forget to include soybeans in your everyday diet. We hope you found this information helpful. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss our daily video updates.